I've got a real treat for you today. If you asked what was the most sought after, I can't get product over the summer, everyone would say the Canon R series. I'm sorry I haven't got the R5 today, but what I do have is this baby brother, the new Canon R6. Again, beautiful piece of equipment. Canon have really decided to hit their full frame mirrorless market this year. I would definitely say this is worth every piece of it. It's well manufactured, well designed, as you would expect from Canon in their SLR mirrorless type market. For me, it has the ability of doing lower light, which the R5 doesn't. The R5 obviously is boosted on resolution in both stills and video, but this has a better low light ability. So it's definitely still a camera that is very sought after, and it will produce amazing results for you without the size and the weight that you would normally have from one of their SLR cameras. I've also been treated today because we've also received today the new 100 to 500 mil RF lens, which, as you can see, again, very smooth as you would expect from a Canon lens, giving the mirrorless market that weight and size, but also that magnification. So again, another product that's been very hard to source this summer, but I have one here now. So please get in touch, and please know that if you were after R5s or any of the other new stuff, we work tirelessly to make sure our customers get looked after as quickly as possible. So if you haven't done already, please place an order. Thank you very much. Goodbye.